need to concentrate on the markets as well, because now the Nifty is just at the cusp of 10,800. It's down 30 odd points. In fact, we've slipped firmly into the red for the Nifty as well as for the Sensex, and the mid-cap index just about holding up in the green by the skin of its teeth. So there has been a sharp come-off which has taken place in the markets just in the past couple of minutes. Bank Nifty also down around 0.3%. We'll do one thing. We're going to wrap up on the show, but stay tuned. Halftime report is going to take all the action forward. We have a couple of reactions coming in to all of the news which is flashing on the screen.
Quick note, look at the market. Right? Yeah. I mean, I think, what, 45, 50 points lower? 10,785. We should just leave you with a Nifty. Look at that. I mean, so basically we're now down about 160 points from the day's high, and all of it
fast.
And all of it has come through after reports started coming in about these escalation from the other side, from the Pakistani side, which has come through. Look at the India Wix, which is essentially, you could describe it as the fear gauge. I mean, that has jumped about 10%. So yeah, I mean, there is a significant impact at this point, at least here and now, on the market on based on the news flow which is coming in. But I think we, as Shireen repeatedly pointed out, and we've also been saying, let's stick with what we know for sure. And what we know for sure is that the statement coming in from the Pakistani spokesperson, which by itself may raise more questions rather than answers. The most obvious one, as I pointed out just a while back, is essentially when the statement says that the strikes were against non-military targets. You have the Pakistani release, the official release. What exactly does that mean? You know, the statement does talk about the need to maintain peace and not escalate the situation. But I mean, prima facie, it begins by saying that, well, we've struck across they've escalated, but now we're saying, well, let's not escalate any further. So we'll get you opinion experts on these matters, national security, and you know, we'll try and put all of this in a perspective. But the market is clearly, as you can see, worried, and
the reaction is very stark. Which is taking place. I mean, I think there is a little bit of a recovery. I mean, we're still down and out, but nonetheless, we slipped below 10,800. We've come back to those levels at this point. The mid-cap index is also just about managing to hold its head above the water by around 20 odd points, and we have the advanced decline ratio, which is worsening as we speak.